So about the Nivion adapter. So it has a Tesla NACS connector on one side and the J1772 connector on the other side. This one is very compact and it feels well made. It's only 8 inches long. There's a latch on the NACS side with a hole for a lock, which is good if you're not charging. You can lock the adapter to your charger. On the J1772 side, it has an anti-drop latch. You see it's covered on the top, so if you drop it, you're not going to break the latch, which is also a great feature. And again, you can see how compact this adapter is. This nose portion is really short compared to the adapters. This is an 80 amp capable adapter, so if you have a Tesla Generation 2 wall connector configured at 80 amps, and your vehicle can accept it, this adapter will let you charge at the full rate. Now, only Lucid Air, Cadillac Lyriq, older Tesla Model S and X's, and Ford Lightning can do that at this point. I also believe some Porsche Taycan. Now, I have a Tesla Generation 3 wall connector configured at 48 amps. Most newer vehicles have a 48 amp AC charging maximum. It's really all that's required to charge overnight. And when the Tesla wall connector was set up, you'll have to provision it to allow non-Tesla vehicles to charge. This goes for destination chargers too. Now, it goes without saying that this is an AC adapter. It will not work with a Tesla supercharger. There is no available adapter at this point for that. Now I'm going to test the adapter by charging my Rivian R1T. Now, once you put in the NACS connector, it's in there firmly. The latch holds it in. You cannot pull the connector out without tripping the latch. You can also see how short this part of the connector is. It's great. It was easily connected to the Rivian charge port, and it's secure, held in place with the J1772 latch. If you attach the cable, you wait a few seconds, and it will start charging. And it's getting about 10 kilowatts, which is normal for this part of the charging curve. I let the charge complete, and the adapter didn't get warm, and it seemed to work just fine. There you go. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos about Tesla, Rivian, Wi-Fi, and tech products.